Welcome back. In this session we will going to understand the Docker file in this session completely, and we will also see that using Docker file how to create the container. So let's start to understand the Docker file. So to understand Docker file we have to again go back for the Docker images. So Docker images are template with instruction for creating a Docker container. Basically it's having its own template of instruction which basically create the container, and this container basically created by this Docker image, and this instruction are given in a within a Docker image which contains the software dependencies, configuration file, networking information, and all this instruction will pass to create a container. So based on the image instruction, Docker will run the image and then create the relevant container. So to add that instruction for this image, the mechanism are given by the Docker, which called the Docker file. So Docker file importance is you can pass your custom instruction to your image. So you can use the image, you can pass your custom instruction to create your own customized image. So Docker file is a text document that contains various commands that you would use within a Docker on command line to build the container image. So basically what Docker file do? So Docker file is a simple text document that you can write your instruction over the Docker file. That's a command of instruction, and basically all this command will create a image for your Docker file. So this is simple what you are executing command over the command line. That command you are passing to the container Docker file. So to create container you will pass the instruction, that instruction written in a Docker file. So for example, we used to create command Docker container create command, and we pass the image. So that's Ubuntu in we seen the our previous example. So we passing the Ubuntu as a image which taken from the Docker hub. So here in a Docker file we will use the from command. So from is a command are used in a Docker file, and that must be in a capital letter. So it's relevant with your image you are passing in the create command. So you are also passing your command while creating image, that's a base command. The same command you can pass in a Docker file using the cmd command. So cmd will be passed for executing command with your Docker image. So same we are passing base. Here it's a relevant example is the command. So you have to execute cmd file. There are some more command which can be used like a copy, run. So this command we will use in a Docker file for a specific use case, kind of the copy of something to run some commands. So you can use this one. So here we are going to understand example from the GitHub and how they are taking your Docker file while writing your image in Docker Hub. So on any published image in Docker Hub have its Docker file which is defined how that container image are created. So let's have a look. So this is Nginx image. You can see this is the official image, and in official image we can take any of this supportive tag, and here you will find a Docker file with the links. So I'm just taking the latest, and this will redirect to the GitHub, and here it will pass the Docker file. So this Docker file used to create this container Nginx. So here you will see the prom is used for the getting the image. So this is the Debian image. Here they have used the run command. So these many commands are run, and here some use the run command also, and here you can find the command also, cmd, this is the command. So this is the complete Docker file are used to create Nginx image. So we will going to create our own Docker container using Docker file in our next session.